Okay, now we're going to be working with object states and buttons and forms. Setting this up. So I did update a new file onto D2L. The original had the pie chart, okay, all as one group. And the new one has the three elements or each pie area as a group, okay? So you might want to grab a new file, or if you've got this one, we'll just ungroup it, and make sure it's set up properly to work. So I'm going to grab these three elements and group. Grab these three elements, group, 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 and group. Okay, now we've got our buttons set, so there will be 1, 2, 3, 6 buttons in here. Okay, so this is ready to go. Next thing is going to be setting the object states. So what happens is we're going to have like a pie, a little area here. When the user rolls over it, it's going to change colors, and it's going to give some information about the visual appeal inside of here. So that's what the process is, what we want to set up for interactivity. So first of all, let's set this information up properly. We're going to select all elements here, and we're going to go ahead and put them all into one, so they're on top of each other. I'm going to go ahead and move them in here, move them into the center, and then go to Object States, which again is under Window to Interactive, and we're using buttons and forms this time, and Object States. We're going to go ahead and make this, a new state, and then we're going to name it. This is going to be the pie, pie, what is wrong? There we go. Whoops. Well, there we go. Pie info. All right, there we go. And state 1, if I click on it, you can see when you click it, it shows you the difference of the content. So state 1 is going to be versatile info. Instead of state 2, it's going to be shareable info. State 3 simplifies info. Engage info. SEO info. Visual info. So organization is key, okay, on everything that you do. So that will help. So this is set up nicely. Let's go and make our buttons and forms. So the first one, make this a button. Name it. This is going to be visual button. The event is going to be a rollover. And the action, what happens when the person rolls over, it's going to go to a state that we just created. And we want to make sure it's the visual button. We don't want versatile, we want visual. So selecting this, we're going to go to the rollover. We're going to double click here so the blue, there we go, double clicking there. We've got the blue colored in here, and we're going to change the opacity to 20%. Okay, now this should show us what's going on. Click the OK here, and if I roll over, there we go, it's giving us information. So that's working out really nicely so far. Okay, number 2, you're just repeating everything. Number 2, make a button, name it SEO button, make an action, going to state, that's going to be the SEO buttons, or SEO button, info. Click the rollover. It's not going to work if you just change the opacity now because we don't really have a color, right? So double click to get into the back element. Now we've got red, 20%, and I'll just click out here and that one's done. And it can be simple now that we've got this all figured out what we're doing. We'll go to button, naming, engage button, on rollover, action going to state. We're looking for engage info, rollover. What do you want to do? Let's double click again. Make sure you get color to appear, 20%. Next one, button, simplified info, rollover, going to the rollover info. Oh, I'm sorry, simplified, what am I talking about? Simplified info. Now go to the rollover, double click, color is 20%. Okay, shareability, button, share button, it's fine. On rollover, action, to state, choosing shareability, info, rollover, double click, got the red background, 20%, in versatile, last button, versatile button, on rollover, action going to state, that works perfectly, rollover, double click, black, 20%. This should take care of this. Let's see what's happening here. Preview. Clicking on it, and you can see that the information inside, is it changing? Simplified. This one's not working. What did I do wrong here? Let's double click it. SEO. Oh, go to state. SEO. SEO button. State SEO button. And preview. Well, bugger, I've got something wrong here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one does not want to go. Can I take this back out? Let me see. Oh, on rollover. There we go. That's the issue. Let's go back and make sure this is to the proper thing now. State, SEO benefits, SEO info. Now let's check it. Okay, clicking, boom. There we go. Okay, so it's just making sure you get everything set up properly, and this should be ready to go. So you can tell from here that it's working, then you're good to go, and then you'll move on to the next phase.